Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to customize your creation using the StarryAI Advanced Settings. So here you can now craft artworks that surely reflects your unique vision. Let's dive in. First thing first is to select your AI model. StarryAI offers multiple AI models like your Altair, this is great for fantasy and concept art. Your Orion, this is ideal for photorealistic images, and Argo for artistic, dreamy-like aesthetics. Choose the one that matches your artistic goal. Then here you can now adjust the aspect ratio. Choose the perfect canvas size of your project. 1:1 is for Instagram post, 16:9 is for wallpapers, YouTube thumbnails, and 4:5 is for great for vertical prints. Use a customized size for digital posters or social media banners. Then after that, pick the right style. The style influences the brushwork and texture. Try these sample presets here. You can also stack styles for unique results. And after that, use our runtime settings. If you want more creative control, just modify the steps, because the higher the steps, the more detailed the prompt is. Then the CFG is called for control prompt adherence. The lower equals more freedom and higher equals more accuracy to prompt. Then you can now use the negative prompt backs to avoid common issues like blurry features, extra limbs, and more. Then after that, enable remix and evolve. The remix is about fine-tuning of your result with a new style or keyword, while evolve is to generate variation or improve your artwork. It's perfect for refining or evolving your piece into a full series. And there you have it. You can now have your advanced settings unlock total control over your AI creation. Play around, experiment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.